I just went and picked up my queen at Texas Bee Supply. This is one of their extremely gentle queens. I was just checking through the frames to see if they had made queen cells in the last 10 hours. You never know. Bees are crazy efficient. So, just wanted to see how they're reacting to her. It seems like she's accepted already. This one's nasonophing right here. See it? Got her nasonoff gland out, saying, "Hey, the queen's here. The queen's here. Come see." These are very gentle bees anyway. No one's stinging. Everyone's feeding. And I think this is good, but we're going to let them release her. I think that's the best course of action anyway. I'm just checking the frames real quick to see. Got one more frame to check. And then we're going to stick her right in the middle. I like doing requeening in small nukes because there's far fewer bees. There's a queen cell here. This might be, yeah, there's nothing in there. And pluck that out. Helps with acceptance if you don't have any semblance of queen cells or anything. So these girls are about to hatch. Well, emerge. Okay. I don't see anything obvious as far as queen cells. I guess there's brood on this other frame too, so we're going to put her in position. So you don't want to drop her. Your gloves are not the best for holding slippery things. So I'm going to slide her into here. Push it in, and then the hole for the centerpiece should, yeah, perfect. I'll probably push that in more just so they can really easily get to the sugar. I'm not seeing any cups forming. And as soon, oh, there's something. Come on, bee, you gotta get out of the way. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. Okay, excellent. They're ready. They're ready for a queen. If she prevents a few of them from emerging, it's not the end of the world here, because, you know, she's in their way. Still be plenty of space, plenty of area for them to get to her. See here? They're already eating that sugar. Alright, looks good. I'll close them up. Good to go. Alright, just real quick. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Alright. It is now Sunday afternoon. I put her in Friday. Alive and kicking. No one's stinging her. Trying to feed her. Pretty sure she's been accepted. They've almost gotten through the candy. Let's take a gamble and see. Just a waiting game now. Come here, Queen. One of the good advantages of putting her in a small hive, because her pheromone really has a chance to get passed around. They are surrounding her, but they're not being aggressive. See if we can catch her leaving the cage. Could just put the cage like that. And these are very gentle bees anyway, which is what you want. You don't want to jostle them, you don't want to shake them, so you just want to kind of let them do their thing. That's why when you get a package, you just kind of, you take the queen out first before you shake them in. Because if there's any damage to the queen, it's no bueno. There she is. She just went out. Now we can get rid of this. She'll find her way out. She went on to one of these two frames. I'm just gonna verify here before we let them go. I still have a queen cage. I can put her back in if needed. As you can see, the population has really dropped in this hive, because like I said, all the foragers went back to the mother hive. It is a warm one today. She should be here unless she just ski-daddled. I do not, oh, there she is right there. They're ignoring her, which is exactly what you want. You don't want her to be chased. I've released them, and you'll have workers just chase the queen, and you do not want that. So, all right, she has been released. Normally they don't go on resource frames, so this is kind of weird to see her on honey. But I also wanted to show this behavior. See, she's kind of hunching down. She's submitting to them so they can smell her, check her out. They're not bullying her, but she's not moving. See that? They're not biting her. If they were rejecting her, they would be biting her wings, biting her legs, pulling her in different directions, and you'd find a definite ball, but they have not. So I believe she is good. But just want to show you this. There you are. So that's it. Queen accepted. Like and subscribe. And so it was about 48 hours. So she's feeding her right now. See that worker feeding the queen? They will feed themselves, but I think they'd much prefer to have their entourage feed them. Alright, have a good... Oh, there's another one. Alright, have a good one. Thanks for watching.